Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix camera not working in Windows 11 laptop. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Camera. Turn on Camera Access, turn on Let Apps Access Your Camera, also turn on Camera. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Disable and re-enable device. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Update camera driver. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Uninstall camera device and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.